Morning, everybody. This is Dr. Ken Long from tortoisecapital.net, and I'm excited to be working with Slice app for teaching, coaching, and mentoring professional traders in the world. We've been doing it for 40 years. Got a long and interesting relationship with the Van Tharp Institute and professional traders globally, and we're looking to bring some of that knowledge and expertise to your trading practice. You can see more about us at tortoisecapital.net. We believe strongly in developing a military mindset to treat trading like combat and being prepared for all the contingencies. We use a plan, prepare, execute, assess model, and we're firm believers in preparing like your life depends on it. We have an observer coaching program for folks that are looking to see how our work might fit them best. We've been working hard with artificial intelligence in my capacity as an associate professor for the U.S. Army. I'm working heavily in AI policy and implementation for military decision making, and we're bringing that insight into the work that we do. We really address three different time frames. We have systems that work for day trading strictly. We have mechanical and semi-discretionary swing trading systems that last from 2 to 10 days. And then we take longer term positions that adjust either twice a month or once a month or as conditions require it. We do some blended hybrid trading where we take the best of position trading and swing trading. We use a core and turbo approach to leverage the information that we have available. We also do the same for swing trading and day trading. We find that a lot of the best day trades are swing trades that are still unfolding in the direction of the swing. And that's where I spend most of my time. And then we have some information about meta system management, about how to blend these different kinds of signals into an overall trading program. We use variety of time frames. We have some systems that are looking at minute bars all the way out to monthly bars. And we look forward to sharing those ideas with you. We produce a comprehensive daily and weekend report that gives a variety of signals for many different systems. And you can think of this as a salad bar approach where you can pick and choose the things that really appeal to you and line up with your time frame. So although there's a lot of information, it's very focused to what your needs are. This was a typical trade from yesterday, the sniper trade of the day. It's one of our intraday systems. It was a gap down day in Mexico, EWW. We used a 10-minute opening range breakout with the standard unit of risk based on statistics, and it worked in our favor all day for about a 7R win. And that's one of our routine types of trades. We feature a long-term look at the market that looks at 150 days back, 30 days back, 10 days back, and we use that to develop price ladders of support, resistance, and statistical significance to frame our trading. When we zoom in, we're taking a look at today's trade, for example. Should be an interesting breakout after a long run up, a nice tight compression, and 2 days of pullback. The short term, the 5-day and the 10-day trends are both up. The 30-day has been a sell off. We've got very clear targets for tactical trading above, tactical trading below, and we're ready to play for breakouts if we get above the 30-day high. This is page one of our daily trading plan that takes a look at considerations like market classification, market location, various statistics concerning the market performance itself. We study the gaps. We take a look at a risk Z score, a proprietary method that we use to evaluate volatility opportunities. We're coming to an interesting channel connection here. We have some mechanical systems for swing trading that are long only, and we consider pivot points. We look at 10-day performances of symbols in the Dow 30 and the ETF 100, the most liquid ETFs, to find the ones that are outperforming on a simple relative basis to do our target selection. This eye chart is how we take a look at the durations of trends and using relative performance to identify those candidates that are statistically significant much stronger or much weaker over different holding periods. So statistic forms opinions about everything we do. We use dashboards like this tactical summary, where we take a look at all the symbols that are firing on mechanical signals. We evaluate reward to risk ratios. We take a look at statistical performance measures to identify the clear targets. We like to look for symbols that have compressed on daily charts into critical states that are offering better than 2-to-1 reward to risk ratios if they break out of that trading range. We use tools like TC2000 and EdgeRater, where we have standardized templates that are available uh, for lease, and they give us our mechanical swings and are used by professionals around the world. We like this chart because it shows us the symbols out of our particular watch list that are ideally optimized for short-term intraday trading. Like we're focusing a lot right now on some robotics and AI companies and some tech story stocks like Unite Unusual Machines, Big Bear, Tesla, Palantir, Bitcoin, Intel, and so forth. We have classes on how we pay particular attention to statistics-based conditions describing the markets so we know when we are in critical states and compound critical states that guides our target selection and strategies. Very briefly, our sniper system, which is probably the best way to get started, we pay particular attention to a combination of trade location over 3 different time frames and the volatility statistics that tell us are we abnormally quiet or abnormally noisy, and then we put those two pieces of information together, location and volatility, to standardize 5 different trading patterns based on criteria and auto frame those so that we have a consistent and disciplined reward to risk ratio in the way that we set up our frames. As I've said, we've been doing this for about 40 years, and we're looking forward to working with you and excited about the opportunities ahead. Take good care. I would be remiss if I didn't remind you that we do have weekly office hours and coaching opportunities available on first come first served basis. I have a crew of trained students who have worked with me for years that I've certified in our methods and have been very helpful to me in the coaching arena. I want to show you a quick example of one of our coaching sessions that just came in this morning. This is a progress report from one of our professional traders who's a pro money manager. These are his daily captures. We had a coaching session during this drawdown period, determined everything was on track. We needed some attention to detail on some psychology. He turned that around quickly and has turned in a 6% month for April. He's got a 67% win rate, and his average win is larger than his average loss, and we will take that. We track the performance of expectancy, cumulative R. We study the histogram of results to ensure that we're staying within normal. We take a look at the trade by trade performance to see if we're making improvement, which we are. We have a healthy respect for the psychology of trading. We do a lot of shadow work to manage our emotions. We look for aligning system, self, and market together. We take a look at our risk management performances and how we are uh, comparing on our maximum adverse excursion and maximum favorable excursion to determine if uh, we're hitting those opportunities. And we're always looking to move our systems into production. And this trader, uh, risking 1% per trade, has generated a 6% month for his clients, and all systems go. And we're looking to expand that to 2% once uh, he's uh, worked through his aligning system, self, and market a little bit. So, looking forward to the opportunity to work with you and take good care. And we'll see you in the trading room.